Let's try this one, number 15. Just like number 14, I think, yeah, we're trying to get S. S we see in one spot in 2. And so it would be great, of course, if we could have the left side of that conditional. So we can put a wish list. Of course, if you didn't see my wish list, check out one of my previous videos, I think, number 11? Number 11 of this same exercise. That's where I introduce wish list. So what are we going to put? Well, we wish we had this part of the conditional. So Q and not R. That would be great, because then with 2, we can do modus ponens to get S. So in order to get this, how could we get it? Well, we see Q and then we see R. They're very separate. We can go ahead and write Q and R all by themselves. Because, of course, if we just had them by themselves on a line, we could use conjunction to get them together. How could we get Q? How could we get R? Well, let's see. We have a disjunction, and remember, disjunctive syllogism. In that rule, if you have a disjunction and you deny one side of it, that gives you the other side. So we want to get one side, Q. Can we deny the other side? Yes, it looks like we already have the denial of the other side in 4. So let's use 1 and 4 together. 1 and 4 disjunctive syllogism, and that's going to give us Q. Yay, I think I'm numbering right this time. So we got Q, we need to get R. Well, R is in 3, and let's see, how could we get R? You know what, I wrote this wrong, right? I wrote on my wish list, I wrote Q and I wrote R all by itself. But really, I should have written not R. That's what we need. And be wary, because it's a little error like that can totally throw you off. So you got to make sure you copy correct. But of course, you can make mistakes just like I just did. It's very easy to miss out on a negation like that. So if you get stuck and you can't get it, maybe go back and check that you didn't make any little mistakes like that. So let's see. We want to get not R, and we have R there. And so we need the denial of R. Well, hopefully the 3 and 4 together, that makes you think of modus tollens, hopefully. So let's do that. 3 and 4 modus tollens, and that's going to give us not R. Perfect. So now we have Q and R Q and not R. I said it again. So we just need to put them together. So let's do that. Q and not R, and that's 5 and 6 conjunction. And now we have what we needed to do with 2. So now we have the left side of 2, and so we can use 2 with our new line 7 modus ponens, and that's going to give us our S. And that is it. Awesome. It is late on, Thursday night, so I think I'm going to call it quits for tonight, and I'll probably do some more proofs tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.